View of the falls, it says. Okay, Wentworth Falls, look at it here. Wentworth Falls. So it's just the cliff edge, water going down. Let's check it out. Here in Katoomba, exploring some of the natural wonders. This is a bit off the unbeaten track, so we're just walking around. It's offbeat. What do they call this? Off the track. Let's get going.
Would you give me shelter? I need you now.
Oh yeah, that's good. Nice work. Nice work.